Hey guys, it's Cannot Compute here. So today I'm going to show you how to convert a video over to an audio file. There's different reasons for doing this. Maybe there's a video file that you have that you would prefer to hear the audio version of. Maybe you watched my last YouTube tutorial of how to download a YouTube video, and you downloaded my last YouTube video, and now you'd like to hear the soothing sound of my voice. That's a lie, but whatever your reasoning, this is how you would do it. So go to Google and type VLC download. You're going to see videoland.org. Make sure that it's that one when you click it. Then just go over here and click download VLC. But like I said before, make sure that it is from videoland.org. If not, then it might not be trustworthy. So then go ahead and open up VLC Media once you've downloaded and installed it, and click Media, and go down here to Convert/Save. Click the Add button, and find the video. I'm going to use my last YouTube tutorial, and we'll just open that. Go ahead and click Convert/Save, and then make sure that this little drop down right here says audio-mp3. It's not going to say it right off the bat, but just go ahead and scroll through and find it, and then it should be there. Next, you'll go to the destination file and click Browse. Go over to where the video is where you want to save the audio file, and also make sure that it doesn't say .mp4 like mine does, and make sure there's no dots at the end. And then also double check and make sure that it says .mp3, and click Save. Go ahead and click Start, and you'll see this little blue bar moving. That's the progress bar. It's kind of hard to see, but that's where it is. And then go ahead and move over to your desktop. And once you're on your desktop or wherever you saved it, then it should be there. So I'm going to double click it and just make sure that it works real quick. It's never not worked for me, but on the top left, you're going to see something that says, all right, and it seems like it worked. So if this helped you guys out, make sure that you like and comment and subscribe for more. Thank you.